Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export a flowchart to PDF and JPEG in Lucidchart. First, click the three-dot menu icon in the top toolbar. You'll find it near the right side of the menu bar. It's a vertical row of 3 dots. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with various file action options. From that drop-down menu, click Export. This opens up the Export Settings panel, and you'll see all the available file formats listed there. Now, select PDF from the file format options. Once you've selected PDF, you might see some additional settings appear, things like page size or quality options. If your flowchart spans multiple pages, you can adjust the layout here to make sure everything fits properly. When everything looks good, click the Download button. You'll find it at the bottom of the Export Settings panel. Your browser will either download the PDF file automatically to your Downloads folder, or it'll prompt you to choose where you want to save it. The file will be named based on your document name, so it should be easy to find later. Now we need to export the JPEG version. Click the three-dot menu icon again. Same spot in the top toolbar. The drop-down menu appears just like before. Click Export from that drop-down menu. The Export Settings panel opens back up, showing you all the format options again. This time, select JPEG from the file format options. When you select it, you'll see JPEG-specific settings appear, things like quality and resolution options. JPEG is great if you need smaller file sizes, and it works really well for embedding in presentations or uploading to websites. Click the Download button to generate your JPEG file. Your browser downloads the JPEG automatically to your Downloads folder. If your flowchart has multiple pages, Lucidchart might export each page as a separate JPEG file, or it might ask you to choose which specific page you want to export. Both files will save to your default browser download folder. The PDF preserves the full quality of your flowchart, which makes it perfect for printing or sharing professionally. The JPEG is better when you need to embed the image in a presentation or post it on a website. Thanks for watching.